crazy pandemic, corona, crazy times, okay? At this time, please, this video is not sponsored, of course, okay? I want to talk about this product today. This is the Ironbee. Yep, this is a tripod, okay, and this mini tripod is a kind of a grip, a small tripod, and of course this is a wireless remote control here. So I can start a recording when I'm out and I try to vlog as a big YouTuber. Here it is. So I can press simple a button and start recording or stop recording. Please, again, I know my English sucks, okay? Let's go. What can I say about this product? I try every time in every video. I don't make videos so often, okay? Maybe it's once in 2 weeks or something like that, okay? But I try to give my best and try to be honest. This matters because I talked about in a later video that I saw so many YouTubers, I don't know, they talk about gear and they talk bullshit only to sell us stuff, okay? I don't see the point to do that. Greek speaker and English and German speaker. So my English again, terrible. I know. Let's go. Okay, this grip, a mini tripod, wireless remote. This size you see is very compact. Okay. I have to say this is nice as a grip for vloggers. This is made from metal. All this is made from metal except, of course, the control. The control is, of course, plastic. And if you open the legs, and you let the camera sit down, it is very robust, and Ironbee says it can handles 3 kilo. I don't have so big lenses, okay? My biggest and maybe heaviest lens is the Samyang Sinnerz 85. And with the Samyang Sinnerz 85 and Rode Micro, it handled it okay. I don't had problems with that. Okay, it has a button here. If you press it, you're gonna rotate the camera, and now it locks. This handle has a nice feature. The remote control is magnetic. Okay, I'm sure about you have seen from other YouTubers talking about this handle, and that this handle is very good and blah 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 blah. First of all, please be aware to check the compatibility. If it is compatible with your camera. it is not. So go in the website from Ironbee. I link it in the description, so you can check out if your camera, if it is compatible with your camera. Maybe it will comes with an update. Can this be updated? I don't know. With the A7 Sony A7 III, I don't had problems to connect it. It was very easy. You have to go to the menu. Here it is. First you have to check Bluetooth remote control. It must be on, and then you go on this tab in the Bluetooth settings and connect the camera. It was very easy to connect. So I have to say that I am positive impressed of this handle, how it is built. If you are a vlogger, it helps a lot to press the button and start recording. It is very easy to change the angle. But I liked it. But for me, guys, really, I don't know. I think it is pricey. Maybe I don't have so much money. I don't know. I don't see really the point to give $100. I checked it in the Amazon, and they said it is $100. Okay, it is a good product. It is a metal build. Okay, I can record blah 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 blah. Okay, super. But $100, it is a little pricey. I would say if this was in a price range 70, $80, it would be closer to the price range that I was expecting to buy this grip. If you check in Amazon, you can find a small tripod grip for about $30. And if you buy a remote control, you give another $10. This makes us a summary $40. With $40 you can have a small grip and a remote control. Okay, maybe it is not the same build quality. Maybe it doesn't have the magnetic. Okay, but it is 40 and this is $100. So sorry, Ironbee, if you're gonna watch this. I like this product, but it is too much money. Okay, this is my honest opinion, and that was okay. Oh my god, I'm terrible. So yeah, I don't know. Am I talking bullshit? Write me please in the comments. It is only in my head that the $100 for this is too much. Am I a Scrooge? Really, I don't know. So write me please in the comment what you think. Okay, I want to know what you think. Am I alone in this whole thing? So okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you are doing well, and I hope see you next time in the next video. and thank you all for the new subscriptions. Really, this is really amazing, and you can't understand that my English is terrible, and you put it to the side and make a subscription. This means a lot to me. Thank you. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. This was in Greek. Ich danke euch fürs Zuschauen. This was in German because I'm Greek-German speaker. So thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao.